Hi there. Photographers and YouTubers searching for a small portable 4K camera complete with interchangeable lenses and gimbal system for smooth quality recordings, may be interested in the new Idolcam. Idolcam is the world's first 4K camera to harness the state-of-the-art 3-axis gimbal from drones, interchangeable lenses from DSLRs, beauty lighting from fashion photography, compactness and ease of use from action cameras. Users can check their shot or review footage using the camera's 180-degree flip-up touchscreen, or by using an iOS/Android app on their smartphone. That app also allows them to pan, tilt and otherwise remotely control the camera via Wi-Fi from a distance of up to 100 feet, plus it lets them shoot time-lapse footage that incorporates camera movements. It's additionally possible to swap between multiple magnetically attaching M12 format lenses, and between two optional magnetic lighting attachments. One is a light ring for soft overall lighting, while the other is a spotlight. Other features include a threaded hole in the bottom for mounting the Idolcam on a selfie stick, always important for vloggers, along with a 3.5mm audio input for hooking up an external mic. The Kickstarter campaign is scheduled to begin late this month. Assuming everything works out, the camera should ship in October. Thanks for watching us. Bye.